Hello, my name is Brent Wellman, Territory Sales Manager for OTC Diahen. I'm standing out here today in front of our demo truck showcasing our exclusive arc welding and robotic technology at the AHB Open House. So OTC Diahen is a single source OEM robotic and welding supplier. We supply the product from the robot controller, the robot, the torch, the wire feeder, and the welding power supplies. OTC offers exclusive robotic and welding products such as 7-axis robots and synchro-feed welding technology, along with low spatter welding technology to reduce spatter and reduce cleanup, which also in turn reduce costs. From standalone robots to turnkey weld systems, OTC can handle all your needs for arc welding and robotics.